Good day, future employers. My name is Gina Gibaga Santos. I am 39 years old, married, and I'm from the Philippines. I have three children, two boys and one girl, ages 19, 12, and 5 years old. I am a college undergraduate. I took up Bachelor of Secondary Education. I worked in Hong Kong last 2024 to 2026. I have 2 years childcare experience. I served six in the family, four adults and two kids, ages 3 and 5 years old, both girls. And also, we have two cats in the house. My main duties are to take care of the kids. I assist all their needs. I send and pick them up from the school. I teach them with their English homework. I also do the laundry. I clean the house and do marketing and ironing. I am compassionate, trustworthy, hardworking, and loving nanny. I can work without supervision and follow house rules and instructions carefully. If you give me a chance to be part of your family, I will do my best to serve you and your family, and rest assured that your kids is safe with me, as their safety is always my top priority. Thank you and God bless.